Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hadi Akdam from Hadi Akdam Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to install VirtualBox into our Windows machine, so we can install other operation systems in our Windows without deleting any of them and making multi drives. It's so easy and we can run both of them at the time. First, we need to download VirtualBox. I put a link in description. You can download and come to this page. You must download the VirtualBox by your operation system. In this video, I am using Windows, so I must download Windows. Then you need to download Kali Linux or which Linux distro you want. I use Kali because I want to teach another videos about hacking in Kali Linux. After downloading VirtualBox, you need to download Kali Linux. I put another link in description, and you can click on that and download the Kali Linux image. It will give you an easy image, and you can use it to use it as VirtualBox. Okay, I have downloaded the VirtualBox and you need to double click on it to open. Installation is so simple, you just need to click on next to install complete. Okay, now installation complete and click on finish to open. Now in this page we must click on Neo to create another ISO image and you can name it what you want. For example, I name it Kali Live 64. You must choose the type of that. I choose Linux. Then in this site click on Other Linux. Then click on Next. Here you must choose the memory size of your operation system you want to install. Click on Next. In this part, don't touch anything because it's the best option. Click on Create. Again, click on Next. Now we have our new operation system. Now click on this and go on Setting. Then click on Storage and choose a disk. Then click on this icon and choose a disk file. Now here you must choose the ISO image you download and I download the Kali Live and I choose it. Then click on Open. Now click on OK. Now click on Start. As you can see, our virtual machine start and we can use our Kali Linux downloaded ISO and you can do what you want. So it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, share me in the comments and I may answer.